Welcome to Vince Cooking TV.
These are the ingredients, guys: lemongrass, bell pepper, onions, garlic, chili, chili flakes, ground black pepper, black pepper seeds, rock salt, star anise. These are all the ingredients, and 3 kilograms pork belly. I just add some generous amount of salt on the entire short piece of the meat, and then massage it thoroughly, and then add some ground black pepper, and then massage it again. And we have to do some poking because I am just marinating this for 30 minutes to 1 hour. But if you are marinating this for a minimum of 8 hours to 24 hours, you don't have to do this. Okay, so just poke the entire meat completely, and this will help the meat absorbs all the ingredients and the spices, and for that our pork belly lechon will be delicious as it can be. And then add some generous amounts of vinegar, and then just set it aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, right after that we will add now all the ingredients. Okay, I just slice the bell pepper in a lengthwise, and then add some minced garlic, and then the onions. Okay, just spread it up, and then the chili. I like it when my recipe is hot and spicy. And then add some chili flakes. I will just have to consume this totally because this is just enough for this size of meat. And then I just use here laurel leaves, and then the 3 pieces rolled lemongrass, and then add some generous amount of star anise. Star anise is the one that will give an authentic aroma of this recipe, an authentic Filipino aroma of lechon belly. Then add some generous amount of black pepper seeds and ground black pepper. Okay, it's very important for this recipe. And then add some generous amount of rock salt. So the combination of salt and pepper is very important. And then Ajinomoto. This is optional, but usually here in the Philippines we use this. Okay guys, right now we are already done with the ingredients and the spices, and we are going to roll the meat and then sew the meat in order to secure the ingredients. And then after that we are going to put this in a skewer and bring this one to the grilling machine. Okay, see you later guys. I just have to finish this one. lechon. Kano sa ang last nimo luto lechon? Kalugot tayo. Kano sa kalas ang luto lechon? Pasko? This is how it looks after 1.5 hours. Okay guys, here's our pork belly lechon after 3 hours. So the middle part skin is already crispy. So we are doing right now the edges to make it crispy. So we still have 30 minutes to 1 hour left to totally cook our pork belly lechon. But now this is already done. We can eat this already, but the skin is not yet completely done because the sides or the edges is not yet crispy. Okay, so let's check it after 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay guys, right now we are just finishing the crispiness of our skin. So what I did is just I put aside the charcoal because to adjust the heat, because at the middle part of this belly the skin is already done. The unfinished skin is only at the edges, so I put aside the charcoal in two sides, to the left and to the right, so that the heat will be concentrated at the edges of the pork only. Alright guys, so it's been 3.5 hours already. So I have checked the edges, the skin of the edges. So it's crispy already. So it's done. Our boneless lechon is totally done. And we can bring this one to our dining table. Alright guys, so this is our boneless lechon. We're gonna have our lunch. Okay, that's our boneless lechon. It's very crispy guys. So crispy, guys. Let's eat, guys. We have our lunch. So this is our boneless. So I slice it already. This is the half part.
Nasi con ra mẹ.
Okay, guys. So our lechon belly is already sliced. So I'm going to taste our lechon with matching rice. Pork boneless lechon. That's what we call here in the Philippines. That is, this is one of our original recipe. One of the original Filipino recipe.
Ano, hindi na tayo. Kaon na to silang, no? Kaon to.
Salsa. Palisog ko na ko. Marami. Dapat na. Tingnan sa'yo. So yummy and juicy. See that one? I put some generous amount of ingredients on it. All the spices, Filipino spices, and the ingredients. Very tasty, very juicy, very delicious. Sorry, ko nila. Coke.
Sarap na, sarap. Ano sabi?
Hello, girl. Okay, thank you.
Ano Pwede yung baso tayo.
One of the best lechon that I have ever cooked, guys. Very yummy. At the same time, this is very spicy one because I put some chili in it, and after that I also put chili flakes. So it's very hot and spicy. So crispy. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I hope you will subscribe. Please subscribe. And if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. And please share it with your friends and families. Okay, so that's it. Boneless lechon, pork lechon. Boneless pork belly lechon. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your continuing support for my channel, and hope to see you around next videos. Please subscribe so that you will be one of the person who can view my next videos to come. Okay, so see you next time, guys. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless.